Welcome back! Now this is a video on complex rational fractions, which basically is a combination of the last two videos. So in order to be able to work with this lesson, you need to know how to multiply and divide rational expressions. You also need to know how to add and subtract. So basically what you're doing here, this is really a three-part problem. The first thing you need to do with these problems is simplify the top. And after you simplify the top, you need to go simplify the bottom. Now, sometimes you don't have to do both. Sometimes you only have to do one. And then finally, it's top times the reciprocal of the bottom, because really, this is a division problem. This is this guy divided by this guy. And when you divide fractions, you are multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. Now this one is an easier example because you only have to simplify the bottom. The top is already done. So step one is to simplify the top, and we're already done at 2 over x plus 2. There's nothing else we can do. So step one is done. Step two, we need to simplify the bottom. So in the last video you learned how to add and subtract rational expressions. So this guy needs an x plus 2. And this guy needs a 4 because they need a common denominator of 4 times x plus 2. So we have 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2x plus 4. That's all going to simplify to 2x plus 8, which of course we can factor out of 2, so we have 2 times x plus 4. And that, of course, simplifies to 1/2. So step two, we have our simplified answer of x plus 4 over 2 times x plus 2. Okay, so that's done. Last step. Since this is technically a division problem, it's this divided by that. You change it to the top, which is 2 over x plus 2 times the reciprocal of the bottom. That would be your second fraction. So it would be 2 times x plus 2 all over x plus 4. And as you can see, the x plus 2's are going to cancel out. So your final answer is 4 over x plus 4. And don't you dare simplify those 4's. They cannot be done because this is a group known as x plus 4. So do not simplify those guys. Okay? So that's it. So really it's not that different than the other two videos, except for now you're just putting it all together in one problem. So here's the last example for this video. You have to simplify the top, then simplify the bottom, then do top times the reciprocal of the bottom, and you should have your final answer. So I would like you to pause the video and give this one a shot on your own. Give it a try. So what you need to do here is simplify the top first. You're going to have x plus 5 times x plus 2 all over x minus 5 times x plus 2. And yes, those can simplify. So your top is x plus 5 over x minus 5. And then what you need to do is simplify the bottom. This side needs an x minus 5, and this one needs an x. So that's going to give you 3x squared plus 2x minus 10 all over x times x minus 5. Now you would want to check to see if this can be factored. I can tell you that it cannot be factored. This is prime, but always check just to make sure, because if it can be factored, you would want to, so you can try to simplify some more. So now it's top, which is x plus 5, over the bottom, x minus 5. And then we're going to multiply that by the reciprocal of this, the bottom expression. So we have x times x minus 5 all over 3x squared plus 2x minus 10. And we have some x minus 5's that can cancel. So our final answer is x squared plus 5x all over 3x squared plus 2x minus 10, or the preferred answer is x times x plus 5 all over 3x squared plus 2x minus 10, because a lot of times it's better to keep this factored just in case it can be simplified. That's it for this video. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.